technicians at the high-speed train maintenance center in Chengdu, southwest China's Sichuan province, have been busy carrying out maintenance work for trains during the Spring Festival travel rush. The travel rush, also known as Chengyun, lasts 40 days from January the 7th to February the 15th this year. Hundreds of millions of people are swarming train stations, airports, and coach terminals across China for family reunions on the Lunar New Year's Eve, which falls on January the 21st.
12月底就已经在开始了忙，我们一共有11台阶的那个机动要交车，然后也是确保了保证春运要那个正常开行嘛。
我们这儿的动车组的覆盖的线路的话，分类的话有达成、成昆、南渝、南新。
我们还联系主机厂，包括配件供应商，然后组建了联合的售后服务团队，时刻保持24小时的一个应急响应，最终实现我们平安春运、有序春运、温馨春运。